Hello.
Hello, Duke.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Duke.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, okay. Now I can hear you very clearly, unlike before. I can hear you clearly now.
Okay.
What are you doing there, Duke?
No.
Duke, can you fix your camera? Can you adjust it? Can you adjust your camera?
Huh? Huh?
Can you adjust your camera? Put it down. Put it down a little bit. There. Now I can see your whole face. Okay, Duke, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, how was your school?
I am good. Good math.
Okay. Oh,
Oh.
are you still coughing? Are you still coughing? Like that? What's that? Oh, that's your lesson for today?
Okay.
What's that? Math. Oh, you got addition. Wow.
Okay.
So you learned addition today. May I see? Very good. Okay, good job, Duke. Is that your notebook in school?
Yes.
It looks so big. It looks big. Is it big?
Yes.
Because our notebook here in the Philippines is only small. Like this one only. This is our notebook. It's small only.
Okay.
But your notebook is very big. It's like a book. Okay.
The book. Yes. Book.
Ah, that is your book. Is that in math?
No.
Math also? What's that?
Drawing.
Okay. It's your brother's book. Okay. Let's begin our lesson now, Duke.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Do you got a new set of Legos, Duke?
Yeah.
Wow. So who made that one? Who made it? Did you make it by yourself?
2,
Wow.
3. Okay. Oh. Only one.
Who made that, Duke? Who made that? Did you make it by yourself?
Yeah.
Or somebody helped you?
No.
Wow. Is the airplane new? Is that new?
No.
Oh.
So little.
What a nice toy is that? It's do you call it Lego also, Duke? Lego. Do you call it also Lego in Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight, Duke. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, our lesson for tonight will be what's on the menu.
What's the menu? The
Okay.
menu.
What's on the menu? Okay, now, Doc, let's have new words. All right. So, what is on the first picture, Doc?
Okay. Egg.
Okay, egg. So, when do you eat eggs, Doc? Do you eat eggs on breakfast?
Yes.
Every day?
No.
No. Okay. How about sausage?
I don't eat.
Is sausage is the same as hot dog, Doc? Do you know what is a hot dog?
Yes.
Is it same also? Sausage and hot dog is just the same? Or it's different? Are they different?
No.
Sausage and hot dog, are they the same or they are different?
Yes.
Okay, next one is a burger. So, is burger your favorite snack, Duke? Is burger your favorite snack?
Yeah.
Oh, so
No.
where do you buy burgers, Duke?
I don't eat burger never.
You never ate burger?
Yes.
Why? That's so delicious. Why?
In Vietnam, my mother is don't buy.
Ah, but do you have what do you call this one? Do you have McDonald's in Vietnam? You know what is McDonald's? Yeah, McDonald's.
That.
Do you know what's that, Doc? Oh wait, I will show you. Wait for me. I know you have this one in Vietnam. Wait for me. I will show you. Okay, here. Wait, it's still loading. Faster. Okay, here.
Donut.
No, not donuts. It's McDonald's. Oh, here. Do you have this one in Vietnam?
Oh, yes.
Do you have McDonald's?
I ate that.
Oh, so here, there's a burger here. So you said you don't eat burgers, never.
No.
You didn't eat burgers,
Yes.
Duke?
I ate it.
What?
Drink.
What do you call that one in Vietnam? Do you call it also French fries?
That? Yes.
Oh, French fries. Okay. How about this one? This one. Do you like eating this?
I eat that.
What do you call that in Vietnam? How do you call that? This one.
Yes. I have that.
So in English, we call that hash brown or nuggets. We call that nuggets. Do you eat that?
No.
Nuggets.
No.
Oh. So where is McDonald's in Vietnam, Duke? Is it near your house?
No. It's
No.
far.
Oh, it's far? So you have to drive a car going to...
Kilometer.
Oh, wait.
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. Okay, wait. Can you see the screen, Duke?
No.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So next one, Duke. What's on the first picture?
Ice cream.
Very good.
Juice.
Next one.
Orange juice.
Oh, that's a lemonade, not orange juice. Next one.
Coconut milk.
Okay, coconut milk or milk. So let's talk about ice cream first. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? You want chocolate,
I
strawberry?
like lemonade.
You like everything?
I
Wow.
like chocolate.
Wow, you like chocolate. Okay, I also like chocolate. But I don't like that color green. I don't know what flavor is that color green ice cream. Okay, so lemonade, Duke. Do you drink lemonade every day?
No.
Oh, so when you are in school, what kind of juice do you drink?
Lemonade, milk, strawberry.
Oh, so it means you also bring milk at school. Do you bring
Chocolate milk.
chocolate milk? Okay. Oh, next one, Doc. What's the first picture?
Jam.
What?
Jam.
That is juice. Next one.
I don't know.
That is a hot chocolate. See, it has smokes. Okay, next one.
I don't know.
That is chips. So do you eat chips, Doc?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. So now, Doc, let's have an activity right here. It says, write the menu. Add your favorite lunch to the menu too. Okay, so what do you think will be our lunch today, Doc? Okay, here. What's the man, the girl, the big boy, and the small boy got for lunch? Okay, start with the woman. What does she eat for lunch?
Oh no.
So that is an example. Burger and chips is an example. Okay, so how about the old, no, the big boy or the man? What is the man holding?
Cheese and sushi.
Okay, it's chips. Oh, no, it's onions and sausages. Okay, next one. How about the girl? What is she holding in her plate?
Fish, egg.
Fish and potatoes. And the next one, the boy is holding?
Egg and tomato.
Okay, and last one?
chicken and rice.
Okay, so how about you, Duke? What's your favorite food for lunch?
That.
Wait a minute, Duke. Okay, now Duke, what do you want for lunch?
Fish and potato.
Wow, fish and potatoes. Me, I like my lunch to be chicken and rice because I like eating rice. Okay, next one, Duke. Let's have activity B. Write the drinks. Okay, so what do you think is the first word, Duke? Can you say the answer? What drink is this? W.
Water.
Ah, water. Okay, so water is correct. Next one,
Juice.
juice. Very good. Next one,
Milk.
milk. Next one,
Lemonade.
lemonade.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Very good. So which one here is your favorite, Duke? Which one here is your favorite kind of drink? Do you like water, juice, milk, lemonade, or chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Next one, Duke. Oh, wait. Are you not feeling good, Duke? Are you not feeling good?
No.
Oh, tell me if you're not feeling good, okay? Next one. What would you like for lunch? I would like... answer. I would like blank for lunch.
I will like fish and meat.
Okay, I would like fish and meat for lunch. Very good. Would you like eggs and tomatoes?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, please, or yes, I do. Okay, next one. Let's have activity letter C. Listen and tick. Lucy's lunch and Tony's lunch. Okay, now Duke, teacher's going to play an audio file and then you have to tick your answer, okay? Okay, let's begin.
17C. What's on the menu? Listen and tick Lucy's food with your red pencil.
Lucy, what would you like for lunch?
I don't know. Yes, some chicken, please.
What would you like with the chicken?
Carrots and beans for me.
Listen and tick Tony's food with your blue pencil.
What would you like for lunch, Tony?
Fish and peas today. And can I have some ice cream too?
OK.
Fish. Fish.
Fish and...
Peas.
Okay, fish and peas. Okay, so the answer is chicken, beans, and carrots. Oh, there's no fish and peas. Ah, yeah, there's fish, peas, and ice cream. Okay, next one, Duke. Write Tony's lunch.
So what would you like For lunch.
Oh, did you remember it? Did you remember what the audio file said? Or do you want to listen one more time?
Fish, peas. Today, I like it for us some ice cream too.
Okay, chicken, peas, and ice cream. Okay, next one, Duke. It says here, what would you like for lunch? Write your words. Okay, so now, Duke, what would you like for lunch, Duke?
Chicken and meat.
Chicken and meat.
Some milk too.
And some milk too. Wow, that's very healthy. Okay, next one. Okay, it says here. Now, what would you like for lunch? Eggs and tomatoes. Would you like to drink? Can I have some milk? Okay, now Duke, look in the picture. Talk about the kitchen picture. Okay, Duke, what can you say about the picture?
Milk. Jam. Milk. Pencil. Orange. Table. Door. Window. Trees. Bird.
Okay. So, it says here, look at this. This is a kitchen. The boy is eating. Okay, now, Duke, where are the pencils?
Pencil is on the table.
Okay, the pencils are on the table. Now, where are the oranges, Duke?
Orange is in the bowl.
Okay, it's in the bowl on the table also. How many books can you see?
I can see 3 books.
There are 3 books. What's the bird doing?
The bird is singing.
Yes, the bird is singing. Okay, now look at the picture again. Listen and draw lines, okay? I will play an audio file and you have to listen. Let's begin. And you put a line also to the correct answer, okay?
Okay.
Now let's begin, Duke.
17G. What's on the menu? Listen and look. There is one example.
This boy is sitting in a kitchen.
That's right. He's eating chocolate cake. Find the spider. Put it on the pink book.
Sorry?
Put the spider on the pink book, please.
Okay.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Now find the ball.
The ball?
Yes. Put it under the bird, please.
Okay. I'm putting it under the bird.
2.
Ball.
Can you see the photo?
Again, Duke, what's that?
Ball.
Oh, wait, let's listen.
1.
Now find the ball.
Ball.
The ball?
Yes. Put it under the bird, please.
Okay. I'm putting it under the bird.
2.
Can you see the photo?
Yes, I can. Where can I put the photo?
Put it on the door.
On the door. OK, I'm doing that now.
Thanks.
3.
Now put the pineapple next to the oranges.
Put the pineapple next to the oranges?
Yes, please.
Right.
4.
There's some bread here too. Where can I put the bread?
Put it in the cupboard, please.
Pardon?
Put it in the cupboard.
OK.
5.
Now the toy.
Yes, put the bread in the cupboard.
Okay.
Okay, next.
car.
OK. Where can I put that?
Let's put it between the boy's feet.
Between the boy's feet. Right. It's there now.
Great. Thank you.
Put the car. Is that car?
There.
Okay, put it between the boy's legs. Okay, next one. Oh, it's finished already. Okay, let us check though. So number 1, the ball under the bird, correct? Number 2, the picture on the door, correct? Number 3, the pineapple next to the orange, correct? Number 4, the bread in the cupboard, correct? Number 5, oh see? The car between the boys' legs. Anyway, you still got 4 points. All right. Next one, look, let's have this. Okay, this is a homework. So let's open another set of activity. Wait for me. All right, so we are having an activity here, Duke. It's a listening activity. So part 1, 5 marks. Listen and draw. There's one example. Okay, listen now, Duke. And you have to put a line to the correct answer. Let's begin.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Put the shoe on the monkey.
Pardon?
Put the shoe on the monkey.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Put the glasses on the elephant.
Sorry, where?
Put the glasses on the elephant.
Put the glasses on the elephant.
2.
Put the trousers on the tiger.
Sorry, what?
Put the trousers on the tiger.
Put the trousers on the tiger. Oh, tiger. Trousers on the tiger. Oh, trousers on the tiger. Tiger, tiger. Finish? Oh, that is, are you sure that's a tiger? Ah, are you sure? That's a tiger? Finish?
Finish.
Okay, next one.
3.
Put the jacket on the lion.
Sorry?
Put the jacket on the lion.
Put the jacket on the lion.
4.
Put the sock on the horse.
Where do I put it?
Put the sock on the horse.
5.
Put the hat on the snake.
Pardon?
Put the hat on the snake.
Now listen to part 1 again.
All right, let's check So number 1, the trousers to the tiger next. The jacket to the lion. The sock to the horse. And then the snake. What's that? The hat on the snake. Okay, very good. That's correct. Okay, 5 points. Next one, Doc. It says here, part 2, 5 marks. Read the questions, listen, and write a name or a number. Okay, you have to write your answers on the blank. Let's begin, Doc.
Part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Kim.
How do you spell that?
K-I-M.
That's a nice name. And how old are you, Kim?
I'm 8.
8?
Yes, it's my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
Who do you live with, Kim?
I live with my mum and my dad.
And what's your dad's name?
His name's Tony.
Is that T-O-N-Y?
Yes, that's right.
What's the name of Kim's father?
No.
Okay, next one.
2.
Where do you and your family live?
We live in a house in Bath Street.
I don't know that street. How do you spell it?
B-A-T-H.
Oh, thank you.
Three.
Do you have a garden at your house?
Yes.
That's bath. B-A-T-H. Okay, next one.
And there are 7 trees in it.
How many trees?
7. It's a big garden.
Four.
And where do you go to school?
I go to Red House School.
Is that R-E-D?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have
5.
answer number 4?
And how many children are in your class?
There are
Do you have answer number 4? That is red. That is red. How do you spell red? Oh, why did you erase everything? Do you still remember your answers? Tony. What name is that street? It's Bath. Next, how many trees? Which school does Kim go to? That is a color. Okay, let's continue.
14.
14. That's a small class.
It's okay. I'm very happy there.
Okay, how many children are there in Kim's class? All right, let's check. So number 1, what's the name of Kim's father? Tony. Where does Kim live? Bath Street. How many trees are there in Kim's garden? 7. Which school does Kim go to? Red. How many children are there in Kim's class? 14. Okay, good job, Duke, because you got a perfect score here. Okay, 5 points. Next one, it says here, listen and tick the box. There's one example. So part 3, we have 5 marks. Let's begin.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What's the crocodile doing?
Can you see the crocodile?
Is it swimming in the water?
No, but the boy's swimming. The crocodile's next to the water.
Is the crocodile sleeping?
No, he's watching the boy.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's the baby doing?
There's Anne with her baby brother.
Does the baby drink milk?
He does, but he's playing with his toys now.
He loves the doll.
Okay, number 1, what's the baby doing? Okay, number 2.
2. What's Nick doing?
Can you see Nick?
Yes, he's with the monster.
Is Nick painting a picture?
Yes, he's painting a picture of the monster.
Is Nick's sister with them?
No, she's not there.
All right, so number 2, what's Nick doing? Okay, now let us check. Number 1 is C, number 2 is A. Nick is painting the picture of a monster. Okay, next one.
3. What's Mum doing?
Where's Mum?
She's in the kitchen. She's giving the baby her breakfast.
And is Dad there?
No, he's reading a book in the living room.
Oh.
4. What's Tom doing?
I can see an aeroplane. Look.
Yes, Tom's watching it.
Is he flying his kite?
No, he's playing football today.
Five. Who's playing the piano?
Who's playing the piano?
It's Sue. She loves the piano.
Is Glenn playing with her?
No, she's playing with her sisters.
Okay, let us check. What is Mom doing? Answer is B. Number 4. What's Tom doing? Answer is C. Who's playing the piano? Answer is C. Okay. So you got 3 points for this activity. All right, now look, let's have this one. Part 4, 5 marks. Listen and color. There is one example.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you find the flower under the tree?
Pardon?
The flower under the tree.
Yes.
Colour it pink. Colour the flower under the tree pink.
Can you see the pink flower? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw. 1.
Now find the flower next to the ball.
Where?
The flower next to the ball. Colour it purple.
Purple? OK.
Two.
Can you see the flower in the dog's mouth?
Sorry, what?
The flower in the dog's mouth.
Yes, I can see it now.
OK. Colour it blue.
Three.
Now find the flower behind the chair.
Where?
The flower behind the chair. Colour it yellow.
Yellow? Right.
Color the flower behind the chair yellow. Okay, next one.
4.
Find the flower between the two boys. Colour it red.
The flower between the two boys. Make it red, yes?
That's right.
Okay, last one.
5.
Can you see the snake?
Yes.
Draw a flower in front of the snake.
OK. Draw a flower in front of the snake.
And now colour it. Make it green.
Green, like the snake.
Okay, draw a flower in front of the snake and color it green. Okay, are you finished? All right, now let us check book. Number 1, color the flower next to the ball purple, correct? Color the flower in the dog's mouth blue, correct? Color the flower behind the chair yellow. Color the flower between the two boys red, correct? And last one, there should be a green flower in front of the snake. Okay, very good, Doug. All your answers are correct. Good job. All right, very good, Doug. So we are finished now, Duke, with tonight's activity. So let's continue again on Wednesday night. All right, Duke? All right. Good night, Duke. See you again. Good night.